Set in a location that feels out of this world, embark with us on a full tour of Utah's Outpost X, an experience hotel unlike any other in Beryl, Utah. Set in 250 acres of beautiful desertscapes, let us show you how to make the most of your experience, what to expect, how to pack, and to prepare for you to enter the world of living Outpost X. Welcome to Outpost X. It might look like I'm here in the middle of nowhere, but only because I am. So I'm going to show you exactly why this is the kind of place that you're going to want to book to get out of the hustle and bustle and have a hotel resort stay that is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Come with me, let's check it out. This is the Con Lounge. This is the common area, so anyone staying on the property can come here and hang out. Yesterday we came in, had an amazing time. Come see what they have for you. This is the inside of the beautiful Con Lodge. The setup here is so reminiscent of being out in the Sahara Desert when we went to Morocco. It was so familiar when we walked in. I really got excited. But it is such a comfortable way to hang out with friends, family, whoever you brought along with you. They have several instruments in this room, so you can make your own drum circle, have yourself a little sound bath, and they even have instruments so that if you need, you know, the whole camping, sit around the fire, or sit around in the lodge, play some music, have a sing-along, you can definitely do that. Just kidding, I'm not about to play for you, I don't know how. But they do have lots of fun things to keep yourself entertained. They even have a paint station, which I had a ton of fun painting yesterday, not because I'm good at it, but because it's enjoyable. And they even have a DVD collection, so if you need to have that Outer Rim experience while you're here and really soak up into the you have made it to the outpost in the galaxies, you can really embrace that here in the Con Lounge where they have a screen, has everything set up for you. Grab your popcorn and let's have some fun. Right next to the Con Lounge, you'll find this wonderful place to hang out in the common area, used by anyone who's staying on the property. Now here's something that's interesting about staying at Outpost X. There isn't a reception desk and a check-in process. It's very much self-serve to give you that autonomous feeling of you've landed on another planet, this is set up to rebuild the planet's population, and you get to kind of be the master of your own experience here, and I really love that. To go along with that, they do send you a link that has their podcast, and not only does that tell you a little bit of like the storyline here, but it also will give you a lot of information on what you can find once you get here and how things operate. So you can cook your lunches here, you bring your s'mores, you can hang out here all day long. There is firewood and everything available, so the part of the self-service is if you see something like that and you want to go for it, use good judgment, be safe, and have a good time. Just go for it. So on the podcast that they send you, we'll have all of the information to get along, as well as in your guidebook. Once you get checked in, you'll find little extra tidbits, QR codes all around the property to help you have a real immersive experience. And should you need, there are 2 people on property at all time to help answer questions, guide you through anything you might need. If you're spending your day here on property, if you need to sit and read a book, have a little alone time, and the kids need something to do, or if it's more your style for yourself personally, they do have this game room where you can send them off while you enjoy spa time, and they can hang out in here. Now, they do have board games, they've got a couple little dress-up things, there's some books as well, and at this far end, I know where I would lose my own children to, would be the PlayStation area, so that they can get out of the sun, really enjoy, and have a vacation their style. Here on the property, there is Starlink internet. So if you're bringing your own devices, you'll have connectivity for anywhere on the property to do anything you need to, including keeping everyone entertained. From your barbecue pit hangout area, you'll see the spas off this direction. Don't worry, we'll get there soon. But we're gonna take you up the stairs next into the BYOB Drink Lounge. As soon as you get up the steps, you have a place that you can hang out, bring some entertainment, or just enjoy the solitude because the views up here are impeccable. Here you'll find the door to the BYOB mocktail cantina. This is such a cool hangout spot inside the mocktail bar. So when you book your package, you'll get a link that you can add on all of the costumes so that you can really do an immersive experience. You'll also be able to add on the culinary package there, and one of the things you can add is the drinking horn, so we'll show you that on the end over here for specific drinks. So this area, I think, is like, has such a vibe to it. Throw on the helmet, drink some mocktails, and use your drinking horn that you purchased with your package.
There are so many ways to have fun while you're here. So whether you're jumping on the trampolines,
Chucking spears,
digging for selenites,
or out ripping around in the sand cruisers.
Hey, wait for me!
everyone has fun.
Welcome to the Cave Villas. Each of these villas will sleep 4 people super comfortably and has everything that you would need for a great stay and amazing views. Come with me, I'll show you inside one. Welcome to your cave. Come on in, won't you? I think these are one of the most spectacular stays we have experienced. It's such a different feel than your regular hotel room, but all those same amenities. So you have a super comfortable bed with absolutely stunning views out to the desert. So you really feel like you are alone in the middle of nowhere. The perfect way to reset from the city vibes. So could you just imagine yourself as the sun's coming up, or the sunsets in the desert are unreal. Sit right here. You have panoramic mountain views. And you really just get an experience away that I haven't seen provided in any other type of stay. In addition to your comfy bed here, we also have a second bedroom. You have air control in here. There is TV that's hooked to the internet. You can sign into any of your streaming services that you like and really take a little break, have a nap, read a book. This is the most welcoming, cozy, perfect way to do it. And really, if you're getting into the whole role play of it, this definitely feels like you're in a cave house. In addition to your bedroom area, you have the kitchen. We highly recommend the culinary experience. The food has been fantastic, the portions are perfect, and you can prepare all of that here, or bring your extra snacks for yourself. Since you are sleeping 4 people, it has everything you need for 4 people, and all of your towels, shampoo, conditioner are provided in here, and this bathroom is fantastic. I love that it feels like you're showering inside a rock. Our last part of the tour today leads us to the spa. So just away from the main lounging areas and common spaces, you'll find this. It has your towels right when you walk in, so you don't have to worry about bringing them out of your room. There is a hot tub, a cold plunge, a shower on site, a rustic sauna. You can dig up some mud and cover yourselves in the local clays. So it's a great way to spend some time while you're here at Outpost X.
Now, since there were only 2 of us, we stayed in the Zen Dome, so we'll give you a quick tour of what that looks like. Right as soon as you walk in, you have that same beautiful kitchen set up, everything to prepare your culinary package. Beautiful views out the side, but you can close curtains for privacy. And the dome itself is so inviting. It has such a comfortable mattress. We really enjoyed our couple of nights here and being able to see the stars at all hours in a certified dark sky. And then at the other end of the Zen Dome is this beautiful bathroom. It does have shampoo, it has conditioner, it has your soap and towels, so you don't need to worry about packing any of those. Ladies, it does have a blow dryer.
So here at Outpost X, we're having our first night, having a delicious dinner. This comes with the culinary package, so they definitely don't skimp. We've got steak, salmon, and sweet potatoes, and they've got this really nice wasabi sauce. I'm not even a salmon person, I'm not a fish fan, and this is actually really good fish.
It doesn't smell fishy at all, it's super flippin' fresh, and the seasonings are delectable.
I was a little concerned when we were cooking fish in this glamping thing, what dome? It's really cool, the Zen Dome. I was a little worried the whole place was just gonna have that gross fish smell. This fish does not smell fishy and it tastes delicious. So we're really enjoying our night. After this, we're gonna go outside. Or are we gonna go outside or stay inside? Go outside?
Yeah, we're gonna check out all everything lit up.
Yeah, we're gonna go over to the main area. But this is a certified black sky or dark sky? Dark sky. Which means you're gonna be able to see all the stars. It will be beautiful.
So once you come outside, you can see the moon is amazing tonight. The sky is already super
I wish we
black.
could capture this sky. I really don't have good enough film
really,
equipment to do it,
like,
but
you can do it in a picture, but while we're filming, can't.
But while that's going though, that is a reason. The lights here are red. It looks cool, especially with kind of that whole like, you know, outer rim of the galaxy theme. But they do have the red lights because we are in a certified dark sky, which means they don't want a whole bunch of light pollution going on. And because of it, I mean, you can't see it on this camera, but I can see so much.
So many stars, and it's pretty early in the night. But the other thing, if you're in anywhere kind of in the southern Utah area and you do photography, this place is an absolute dream for taking photos, and definitely don't skip the night photos because this is phenomenal.
And even if you're not wanting to do like a bunch of photography, if you're just a casual Instagrammer and you want some really cool, unique stuff, you can get a day pass here and just come and snap some quick photos. And I mean, you can see, kind of go around here. It is very unique. Look at how cool the Con Lodge is. The Con Lounge. And then they've got some lasers going on. It would be nice to have music. Check out the cruisers though. They're so cool. So they took some golf carts and they had a special effects guy build up these really cool cruisers. It's just a lot of fun. It's a great activity. Kids would absolutely love it. Our kids would go nuts for it. They're not with us, so.
Sorry, kids.
But we are enjoying weekend away, that's for sure.
So we're not in the habit of taking videos once we're ready for bed for the night. However, I wanted to share with you something that I think is fantastic here in the Zen Domes. Oh, thanks. The TV light is actually helping. So, on the one hand, the TV does swivel from the, like, dining area into the bedroom. So if that's something you're curious about, it does swivel around, which is fantastic. The internet's great, so we can sign into Netflix and watch our nightly shows. We can see the stars. We've moved the curtains around so they're gone and we love it. But the Zen Domes come with this little heated blanket, and I am a massive fan already. It feels fantastic. It gets cold in the desert at night fast. Like as soon as the sun's gone, we are freezing. So it's amazing, but double plus, my side has my own temperature control and his side has his own temperature control, so we can stay perfectly warm in the desert. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the best mattresses I've ever been on in any hotel we've stayed in.
It is super calm.
We
so
are
nice. Feels like our home mattress.
So relaxed, so excited to sleep out in the desert, and it feels like we're the only ones out here.
Last night we enjoyed our evening. It does get very cold here. So if you're gonna come make sure prepared. We're in the high desert, and at night it gets very cold. And they do have heaters and everything. We didn't have to turn our heater on actually because they have heated blankets, which felt great. But now we're sitting down to some breakfast. With their culinary plan, we've got eggs, avocado, and some pita bread. And after this, I don't know, maybe we'll go to the spa.
Yeah.
Might be a little cold. The stars, though, were absolutely incredible. It's something I wish I could film. I wish I could show you guys, but I guess that means you'll have to come out here and see for yourself. It truly is. This night sky at 4 a.m. is unreal. Like, it's unbelievable and amazing. And you should definitely check out a place with the certified dark sky. But enough on that. This food looks really good. I'm gonna eat.
Thanks so much for coming with us to Outpost X. We hope we've answered some of your questions and got you really excited for your stay. Drop us a comment if you make it there. Like and subscribe for more travel content.